I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Bar Pintxos Cebu. Traditionally, pinchos are small finger food served in bars and taverns, but with the new normal right now, why not bring it at home? Added that right now they are serving Almuerzo Lunch Sets. Let me check what I am having here. I think this is their Paella Mixta. And this one is their lunch Pica. It's really Pica and it's only not good for one. I think this is good for sharing. And it comes also with this croqueta cheesy dip. You can have this Paella Mixta for 360 pesos, which has chorizo, chicken, shrimps, all in one serving. And you can have this lunch Pica for 370 pesos, which includes tortilla patatas, chorizo y jamon croquetas, piquillo peppers, and pickled onions. To order, just message your official social media accounts in Instagram and in Facebook. And it is available for pick-up from the restaurant at Oak Ridge Business Park. And delivery shouldered, of course, by the customer's expense. And let's have this Paella Mixta try. So, I know nga dapat i-squeeze ang lemon, pero later na siya because I want to taste the chorizo, the shrimp, the chicken, and the rice ng sagyud. Kung unsa gyud ang iyahang flavor. Yes, flavorful na jud kayo siya. It's so tasty. So how much more kung na ay lemon, mas ma-enhance na jud more. Now guys. And let's have this chorizo y jamon croquetas sa try. Chorizo in a croqueta, perfect. Plus a cheesy dip, mas perfect yun siya. Well, nothing can go wrong with cheese, such as this tortilla patata. So, it's a tortilla made of patata. So, still with cheese, perfect. Pero balik lang kita sa rice, because rice is life. And again, to order and to see more of their offerings, please visit their official social media accounts in Instagram and in Facebook. And then again, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating, and don't forget to follow me in all my social media accounts. And please don't forget to stay safe, stay sane, and just keep on smiling. Bye-bye!